can only be on or off, 1 or 0. You find this is.
Okay, does it make a difference if I make you co-host or host? Welcome everyone. It's really great to see so many people on here coming.
By the columns of the second. The number of columns of the first matrix has to be equal to the number of rows of the second.
Maybe someone from the angel school could be the next generation to help pioneer new understandings.
Quantum supremacy is in a way just as the name expects. It's when a quantum computer can outperform classical computers.
So what is a qubit? A qubit is a quantum particle in superposition. Whilst a regular bit can only be 1 or 0, on or off, a qubit can be 1 and 0 at the same time.